Alright, so this is our filthy, dingy pail bucket that we are going to clean, and we are just going to use a very simple cleaning product, which is awesome. This is awesome. This is amazing cleaning product. It makes your cleaning very simple. I do have other videos that you can watch where I use awesome to clean bent bottom of a pot or dingy back. So this is the awesome. This is what we are going to use. You can use this on any filthy, dirty. It makes your cleaning very, very easy. So we are going to use that. I just pour some into this all-purpose spray bottle, so it'll be easy to spray out quickly. The first thing we are going to do is I am just going to wet this our bucket. You can see all the dinginess there. And then look inside there. That is so filthy. So we just give it a quick wash, just a little to wet it. Now all I have to do is we're just going to spray. Just spray all around. Inside there. Spray the bottom as well, as it's all set. And then we spray inside. See how you can see already it's like it's coming right off. But we're just gonna leave it on for a little while, and then we'll just start scrubbing this, and you can see how it just stain is just lifting it right off. Okay, and just let this sit a little bit, and then we'll start using it, and then we'll start scrubbing. You're gonna need a brush. I'm going to use this brush. This is very strong brush, and then it makes your cleaning very fast. And also gonna use the gloves as well.